Welcome to a day in my life with KAMREE skincare. I kickstart my day with my go-to KAMREE face wash. Infused with salicylic acid, glycolic acid and niacinamide, it reduces dark spots and keeps my acne-prone skin in check. Next up is my niacinamide serum. It has 10% niacinamide, which is a game changer for reducing acne scars, pigmentation and dark spots. And of course, the hero of every skincare routine, that is sunscreen. I never step out without this. This lightweight lol greasy sunscreen, which contains SPF 50+++++, protects my skin from harmful UV rays and does not leave any white cast. The best thing is that it is water and sweat resistant, so it stays put all day. Look how easily it absorbs into my skin for that perfect matte finish. With this, I am ready for the day. Now, after a long day, it is time to unwind and refresh. I cleanse my face again with KAMREE's face wash. For my evening skincare, I use anti-acne serum. With 10% salicylic acid, the serum works overnight to fight acne-causing bacteria, prevent acne breakouts, and refine skin texture. I follow it up with a good moisturizer, and my skin is set to repair and rejuvenate while I sleep.